Actually, them always say the rainbow draw up water. You know, so whenever we see it there, it normally there in a PG river. Yeah, so if you drive, you see the pre. Only in Jamaica we can do this. Bad plate of feed up people. Feed up in face.
I bless the love it tonight, man, Bushman, and right now I need you to go to YouTube and log on to DJ Slicking Vlogs. You see, subscribe and do a like and do a invite. You see what I say? Lock it down. It's all about nature and the reality of the world. Keep connected.
See
Fire burn and we got.
Natural. See what I did? Well cool, I feel it all gone on in my vein. Yes, my beautiful people all over the world. This I cook and we don't have much container. So we but just put the rice in the bag. Jamaica.
You hear me? Raz Vital done. Out there I represent to the fullest for DJ Wicked Vlogs, you know. Real life something done. And the bodies mix them so. Make sure you go over our channel and check out that something there. You don't know. No regrets, not there. Up full, Raz Vital.
Bad plate of feed up people. Feed up in face, you know. Feed up in face. That's in kids. Feed up in face. Or up, you know. Early morning view. Not the yard, guys. Look at that, you see? Early morning view. The sun just a peep up himself across this. If you can't see, the sun just a peep up himself. I keep the one tree on our back there, guys. Tree. No fruits is a must. I'm on this month to next month. Apple for days. March and April, same way. You know. Yes, guys, early morning view. All the surrounding. You know. Early morning view. Yes, guys, as you can see, just wake up. Just wake up and say me I go and show you the flower around the place. And look across the gully. On the hilltop the people. Yeah, man. Be a rain and fall on the hills and from where you guys, as you can see, rainbow. Yeah, man. Be a rain and fall on the hills. And the other day, guys. So, just I go and take the time out, show a little So actually them always say the rainbow draw up water. You know, so whenever we see it there, it normally there in a PG river. Yeah, so if you drive anywhere water PG now, you would probably see it there down in the water. You have to look very much good though. You know, back in the days more than normally see it. You know, yeah. Because me and my granny would normally go there like when we go to clinic or so. Yeah, my granny always show it in the water. So that I go on guys, and I show the greenery of the place. As you see up here, so I always have hockey. But through the rain kinda fall regular. So most time them easily rotten off of the tree guys. You know them way there? Yeah man, so just a showing a little early morning view, you know. Yes, my people them as usual. You know, can't get no better than that. Can't get no better than that. You know, I'm the Pamelian guys. You know, the Pamelian in the morning, yeah. I'm going to show you a little walk. You know, the peeps, that's the standpipe. You know, and sometimes our people just pass by and just turn it on, left it around and be things, but you know, as we say guys, you know, we don't really make certain things bother we, you know, we just try to live above certain things, you know. Yeah man, I leave negative for pass. Yeah. Do like we don't see it or hear or smell it, you know. Yeah man, so as I can see, okay, I open pan tree there. Look at that. Okay, that I open. And look on the one here around here, so guys, how it just start to crack. Can you see that? Yeah man. So luckily I could get to catch that one when it just start to crack, you know. But if you look guys, you can find one and two wacky underneath the tree there and stuff. You see that? So yeah man, there in the morning guys. So I'm going to show you a little walk going. Show you a little walk going in the morning, yeah. You know. Yes, no man. Yes, no man. So as I say, I saw that the pipe they run more wire. Can't lock off, you know, but when I pass it while through, I focus on the video. Not even the pre. So that's the I go and show you. Staple time now guys, staple time now. See if we can find one turn one to show you. Alright, look at that guys. Can you see that? Yeah, little zoom point. Can you see that guys? Yeah, just staple already up, you know. Already up. I keep up on that tree as me I tell you guys. You know, we have sugar cane here. But you know, then just a come up there 1 year in the yard. You know, so that is it guys. I keep up on tree. You know, this was the tree me I show you across where the house stop. Yeah man. That I go on and what I go on guys. If you look good, I can see a couple of ones. So there in the morning, see puppy there. I left out the suki that you know them really. So yes guys, me I go see if me can find a one apple to eat. I'll see if me can find a one apple. Eat in the morning, guys. Yeah, plenty bird, them a feast up on them. Terrible guys. No, them really. Bird, them a feast. See that now? Yes, no man. Apple for days. Look at that. Freshly picked from the tree. You see the tree? Only in Jamaica we can do this. Look at that. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good night. No one DJ's Wicked Vlogs in the place. I eat apple before even washing face. Imagine that. Good looking man, yeah, people. Good looking. Greater days, huh? Life is oriented, you know, people. Wife, you got a pipe. No joke. Papa, asleep, man, there, you know. That is it. Good to be here, people. Good to have life, you know. Yeah, man. Good over evil every time. Life over death. Why worry when I can pray, you know? Put your trust in God. Everything shall be added unto you, you know. So that's how I do, people. Put my trust in God, you know. Who God bless, no man curse. You see that? When it says stone at the builder refuse, shall be the head cornerstone. So, yeah, man, give God thanks and praise for life, you know. And strength are the greatest. And a pretty bird, people. If you can't see, man, you fly. You still there, man. You see, you can't zoom for him. I can fly, people. I can fly, man. Boy. Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no, oh no, here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Oh well. Yes, Father great, you don't know. Cut and clear, you know. Yeah, man, the greatest thing for their people. And can't reason do none, you know. All that joy, same way, guys. Yeah. We'll line up on things, phone in idea still. So don't worry about it. Yeah. Big up and bless up on yourself. Same way. Yeah, man, if you're new to each channel, guys, yeah, man, you don't need to do the right thing, and, you know, just hit the notification bell. Yeah, man, subscribe. Do the right thing, guys. DJ's Wicked Vlogs out here, you know. Man, as I know we out here without fear, man. Yeah, man. One God, you know. Yeah, man, above all. So we just worship him and give him the most highest praise. Yes, people, you notice how, you know, my face look like it a glisten. At the mercy of God blessing, you know. Yes, no, man. So you go, people, man. So we out here without fear. At the morning sun, I want to see you get up in the background. You know them way there. Yeah, man. The morning sun, guys. Look at that. Nothing so sweet, guys. Yeah, man. A joy, people, man. A joy, you know. Yeah, man. Joy for rising in the morning and can give you thanks. You know? Yeah, man. Joy. Without God, we are nothing. You see it, peeps? Yeah, man. Without God, we are nothing, guys. So we just there. I go and give him the highest praise. Highest praise. You know? Yeah, man. At the mercy of him, I carry you. Mercy of him, you know? I'm truly grateful and honored. Yeah, man. Tell her, appreciate it too. Yeah, so big up each and everyone that been doing a great job for us, you know, by helping us to be, you know, who God really wants us to be, you know, even though sometimes difficulty and all of that, but we never give up, you know, so we're grateful, give thanks to life with Orintia, you know, wifey, always there to motivate me and, you know, encourage me as well. Nothing greater than that. Yeah, man. Love, that is everything. That cover everything. So yeah, man, big up and bless up, man. Yeah, man, we're there. Out here, guys. Out here. Without fear. Look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up whole United States, Canada, Jamaica, my homeland. Yeah. Africa. You know, whole of Kenya. Yeah, man, Uncle Mo, big up yourself. No joke. You see that? Yeah, man, one Christmas this, big up yourself, man. Be Mwanga. You see me? Keen of life in Jamaica. Big up yourself. You see it? Yeah, man, big up each and every one that always been supporting us, been encouraging us as well. You know, really do appreciate it. You know, we're grateful as well. You know, yeah, man. A greatness to say overall, man. Greatness. And we appreciate everything. We appreciate every single thing, guys. Yeah, man. And we know greater come. You know, it's just in a minute. Maybe look long, but not forever, you know. We do appreciate everything, you know. So, guys, just do the right thing. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Now I get no better than that, people. Cause, you know, a greater we say, you know. A greater we say. So, yeah, man. We don't watch nothing, people. Just deal with love and cover everything. You see that? Yes, no, man. Look at the pineapple in the background, guys. Jamaica sweet, you know, guys. Believe it, man. Believe.
Hey, see Legion, you know. One go. Pepper Brain represent the DJ Secret Vlogs, you see? You get it? I'm here saying me tired and nightmares. Tired to sit the room with the light there. Me left me hard and tell me family I go find fair. Them still have to see the big in a Times Square. One go DJ Secret Vlogs, Pepper Brain. I'm out.